Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's me, Monica. Thank you for joining me. Today we're going to plan for my April monthly, but first we're going to do a real quick cover change. I had this cover for St. Patrick's Day, and I'm going to change it to this beautiful bright girl power cover. You can get both of these covers from erinconjuring.com, and I'll leave links to both of these covers below. Now, I kept these clips in because I wanted you to see when you get the cover, sometimes you have to pop out the little extra on the coil clips, on the coil clip part, and those little tabs, they just pop right out and the cover just snaps right on. Now, I messed my coil up, so no fault to Erin Condren and their production staff. I messed my coil up. That's why my coil is all bent and all just, you know, ah. So I'm just popping out those little tabs and I'm going to place my cover on my planner. I love this color cover. I love the brights in it. So I'm excited to have it. And I fast forwarded this part on purpose so you could see how to put a cover on. So now I'm just going to turn to the April portion of my planner. And today I am going to be using a kit from Cupcakes and Stickies. This kit is hollow foiled. It is the April monthly. It is so beautiful, you guys. And I had to check my phone several times to make sure I was placing this on correctly. So I ended up stopping and starting and stopping and starting because I wanted to make sure I was putting this on right. So you'll see me here in a second checking my phone, going back to her Etsy shop to go, is this the correct way to do this? So that's what I'm doing right now. I'm going back through my order and I'm like, okay, I know I ordered this, going through the pictures. How does it go on? How does it go on? So you guys, this is how I plan. I mean, I make mistakes. I mess up sometimes, but somehow it always looks good to me. Now, it may not be aesthetically pleasing to others, but it does look good to me. So I did place that down, and that little part was bigger. And then now I'm just putting Thursday through Sunday and then the notes section. Again, this is hollow foil with Cupcakes and Stickies. I am a PR for her shop. So if you want to use Monica10 at checkout to get my exclusive freebie, and I'll put my freebie somewhere here in the video, um, please feel free to do so. I love my freebie. So now I am just placing down the holidays. That would be April Fool's Day, that I'm placing down. She didn't include date dots with this. And then that is Good Friday. And I'm just grabbing my tweezers because I want everything to be straight. And with those nails, I can't put anything straight down. I'm just going to be quite honest with you. And then that would be Passover celebration, or Passover ends, I'm sorry. That is a Passover end sticker. And then, of course, that Sunday would be Easter Sunday. And that is also my baby's birthday. He will be 13, you guys. I'm so, I'm bittersweet about it because he's not my baby anymore, but he's my teenager now. He's my teenager. And then I am just putting, I can't remember what that was. Ramadan begins. Yes, I'm sorry. And then that would be Earth Day. And I ended up having to look up St. George's Day, which is the day after Earth Day. And you'll see me put that down here shortly. And now I'm just going to put down that side bar piece. And I think at this point, I'm looking on my phone like, where does that go? So I'm just going to place that down as carefully as I can. I've never been good with putting that down. So I'm just going to lay that down very carefully there. And now I'm just going to put down the boxes in random places. They have no rhyme or reason. I just decided to place them in certain places, and I'm using my tweezers again because I definitely want to make sure that everything is as straight as it can be. And I was wearing my new glasses, so it wasn't off straight, it was straight. So I'm just placing those boxes down. Like I said, no special rhyme or reason, just where I thought they would look good. And now I think at this point, I'm looking up like what is St. George's Day on my phone, and then I'm just going to place it there right beside Earth Day. I wanted to make sure what the date was, and then I looked it up. So I'm just going to place that down there, just like that. I want to thank you guys for joining me today. I'm just showing you that I had nothing left in my kit, and I'm doing a brief hollow wiggle. Thank you guys for joining me. Thank you for supporting my channel. Thank you so much. I am so grateful to each and every one of you. And you guys have a wonderful day. Bye.